Good morning, everyone. Today I will be presenting an analysis comparing the climate variability over the past century across three distinct locations: Sacramento Airport, Edmonton Stony Plain Airport, and Colorado Springs Airport. Through this comparison, we will explore how climate change is manifesting in different regions and discuss the implications of these changes. I got all of my data from the NOAA official website and asked them for a log of all of the weather reports reaching as far back as I could find. As well as I then took the data and filled out a graph on Excel to acquire my scatter plots. Our first question is, does climate change appear to be occurring in Sacramento, my home region? To answer this, I examined historical temperature data from the Sacramento airport. The scatter plot shows the average annual temperatures over time with a red trend line indicating the overall trend. Although the R-squared values suggest a weak correlation, the upward trend in temperatures is evident. This indicates a gradual warming over the years. Based on this analysis, we can support the statement that climate change is occurring in Sacramento. The gradual increase in temperature aligns with broader patterns of global warming. Next, we explore, is climate change happening in Colorado Springs? The analysis for Colorado Springs Airport follows the same process. The scatter plot and trend line here also indicate an upward trend in temperatures. Similar to Sacramento, the temperatures in Colorado Springs show a gradual increase over time, though the trend is again relatively weak. The data supports the statement that climate change is occurring in Colorado Springs with a consistent, albeit slight, increase in average temperatures. Finally, we ask, is climate change occurring in Edmonton Stony Plain? For Edmonton Stony Plain, I followed the same methodology, analyzing historical temperature data and plotting it. The scatter plot and trend line for Edmonton reveal a similar pattern to others. Despite the weaker correlation, the trend line still shows a slight increase in temperatures over time. Notably, Edmonton has much colder baseline temperatures compared to Sacramento, reflecting its different climate zone. This analysis supports the notion that climate change is also occurring in Edmonton Stony Plain, with temperatures showing a slight upward trend over the years. Next, let's compare the trends between Sacramento and Edmonton Stony Plain. Both locations show an upward trend in temperatures, though there are significant differences. In Sacramento, the trend line indicates a slightly higher rate of temperature increase compared to Edmonton. These differences highlight how climate change can vary significantly between regions. Factors such as geographical location and local climate conditions can contribute to these variations. Now, comparing Sacramento with Colorado Springs, we observe similar trends. Both cities show an upward trend in temperatures, with Sacramento again exhibiting a slightly higher rate of increase. The trend line for Sacramento suggests a slightly more pronounced warming compared to Colorado Springs, though both cities have relatively low R-squared values. This comparison reinforces the understanding that climate change impacts are widespread, though the specifics of these impacts can vary by region. Understanding these regional differences is crucial for developing effective climate adaptation and mitigation strategies. While global patterns provide a general overview, localized studies like this one are essential for addressing specific regional challenges. In conclusion, our analysis supports the occurrence of climate change in all three locations: Sacramento, Edmonton Stony Plain, and Colorado Springs. Each region shows a slight but consistent increase in temperatures over the past century. These findings contribute to a broader understanding of how climate change manifests differently across various regions, emphasizing the need for tailored responses to this global challenge. Thank you for your attention, and I am happy to answer any questions you have.